Transform your dry and frizzy hair with these natural home remedies plus top shampoo recommendations. Hey HerbeeLife family, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon for more health and wellness tips. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us struggle with, dry and frizzy hair. I'll be sharing some amazing natural home remedies to nourish your hair, and I'll also recommend some fantastic shampoos you can find on Amazon.in. The links to these products will be in the description box below, so be sure to check them out. Natural home remedies for dry and frizzy hair. Coconut oil treatment. Ingredients: pure coconut oil. Method: warm up a few tablespoons of coconut oil until it's in a liquid state. Apply it to your scalp and hair, massaging gently. Leave it on for at least an hour or overnight for best results. Rinse thoroughly with a mild shampoo. Avocado hair mask. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Method: mash the avocado and mix it with honey and olive oil until you get a smooth paste. Apply this mask to your hair, focusing on the ends. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Aloe vera gel. Ingredients: fresh aloe vera gel. Method: extract the gel from an aloe vera leaf and apply it directly to your hair and scalp. Leave it on for 30 minutes before washing it off with a gentle shampoo. Egg and yogurt mask. Ingredients: 1 egg, 2 tablespoons yogurt. Method: beat the egg and mix it with yogurt. Apply the mixture to your hair and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with cool water and shampoo. Banana and honey mask. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 2 tablespoons honey. Method: blend the banana and honey until you get a smooth paste. Apply it to your hair and let it sit for 20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. Recommended shampoos for dry and frizzy hair. To complement these natural remedies, using the right shampoo is crucial. Here are some top picks available on Amazon.in. L'Oreal Professional Absolute Repair Shampoo with Protein and Gold Quinoa. Ideal for dry and damaged hair, this shampoo helps to repair and strengthen your hair. OGX Renewing Plus Argan Oil of Morocco Hydrating Hair Shampoo. Infused with cold-pressed argan oil, this shampoo helps moisturize, soften, and strengthen hair. It's also paraben-free and contains sulfate-free surfactants. Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Deep Moisturizing Shampoo. This shampoo with sea kelp and argan oil deeply moisturizes and rejuvenates dry hair. Moroccan Oil Moisture Repair Shampoo. Perfect for repairing and restoring hair, leaving it shiny and manageable. Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Shampoo. Great for curly hair, this shampoo adds shine and helps to reduce frizz. Induleka Bringa Shampoo 1L Proprietary Ayurvedic Medicine for Hair Fall. An Ayurvedic formula that helps reduce hair fall and improves hair health. So there you have it, some fantastic natural remedies and top shampoo recommendations to help you tackle dry and frizzy hair. Remember, consistency is key. Try these remedies regularly and let me know in the comments which one works best for you. Don't forget to check out the links to these shampoos in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy and beautiful.